Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, a lot of people have been throwing stones at me since I started doing videos on this Onyema narrative, but now that their leader have come out to take a position, I wonder what they will have to say. So with that guys, I bring you this. Onyema is a liar, Nnamdi Kanu alleges. So that's the headline. Onyema is a liar, Nnamdi Kanu alleges. And that is the headline. So now let's see now what the lead Igbo man has to say in this regards. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has called the chairman of Air Peace, Onyema, a liar. The IPOB leader alleged that Onyema lied against him to please his Fulani masters. The allegation was part of comments by the IPOB leader aired in a live broadcast on Sunday. He was quoted as saying, "People have asked me to clarify the visit of Onyema to my house. I think what I said in my last broadcast may have led to his recent investigation for fraud. Onyema came to my house and we talked about things happening in Nigeria, including the hate speech. He said he wanted to see how there could be peace with our people in the north. He said we should take pictures with some people he came with, and I agreed. All of a sudden, one day, he granted BBC an interview and lied against me. Then I reminded him that I know more about him than he can even imagine. After my statement, the Fulanis went after him. They know that IPOB will not fight for him for undermining our struggle to restore Biafra's independence. I will not ask him further questions. I believe he has learned his lessons. Onyema wanted to please his Fulani masters, but now they have turned against him." He added, Nnamdi Kanu's allegation is coming after Onyema was charged with bank fraud and money laundering. He was alleged to have moved more than $20 million from Nigeria through United States bank accounts in a scheme involving false documents based on the purchase of aeroplanes. It had been reported that the United States Department of Justice, DOJ, in a statement posted on its website on Friday, said the Air Peace Chief of Administration and Finance, AG Igaga, has also been charged with bank fraud and committing aggravated identity theft in connection with the scheme. But reacting, Onyema said all the money transferred to the United States went through the Central Bank of Nigeria, adding that the allegations were false and were in no way in line with his character as a person and as a businessman. So now, effectively now, the lead Igbo man, which of course is Nnamdi Kanu at the moment, at least according to the Igbo people, so the lead Igbo man has now come out against this guy now, this Onyema fella. So the noose is now tightening round the neck of this guy, and there's now nowhere to run. So the lead Igbo guy has disowned him. The EFCC are after him. The Americans are after him. Loretta Onitsha has come out against him. So all of the people that are of relevance within his own sector, within the Nigerian space, are now circling around him, and the noose is now tightening. But of course, a lot of people will still say he's innocent till proven guilty, and I am of that thought as well. So an allegation, again, is an allegation, and anything can be alleged. This is what Obasanjo always says. Obasanjo always says an allegation is an allegation, and anything can be alleged. But of course, the proof is always in the eating of the pudding, or the proof of the pudding is in the eating, however that saying goes. So now, of course, now, so many people are now weighing against this guy now. So the people that you're expecting to back him now, his own Igbo people, Loretta Onitsha, his own Igbo leader, Nnamdi Kanu, etc., are now sort of like distancing themselves from him and saying that, look, this one is a wrong one and we have no association with him. So apparently, allegedly, and according to a broadcast that was made by Nnamdi Kanu, this Onyema fella has actually tried to betray him once in servitude to Aso Rock, but Aso Rock, of course, has now turned his back on him, and they've sent the EFCC after him by way of the Americans, and everybody is now so like charging at this guy now. Conversations in the comment section. The earpiece guy now is now being circled round in a sort of Wild West cowboy wagon style circling round type thing. Come tell me what your thoughts are about all this in the comment section. But before you do this, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button, click on that as well. That notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me now what you are thinking is the happenings with regards to this Igbo businessman, this billionaire man, in the comment section. Come tell me what your reading is in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Join in the comment section. But here I say peace.